Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about some changes to shaded X flood zones. So what is a shaded X flood zone? Many times this is an area that sits behind a levee or a dam, and it looks at that dam or levee as protection. However, with the new development of the National Flood Insurance Program Risk Rating 2.0's model, distance to water is a big driving factor now with flood insurance rates. So we're seeing a lot of shaded X, which traditionally was $400, $500, $600 a year. We've seen go all the way to $4,000. So why is that? One of the big driving rate factors now with Risk Rating 2.0 is distance to water. There's no longer a preferred flood zone. So even if you sit behind that levee or dam with protection now, you might be seeing significant large rate increases with the National Flood Insurance Program, especially depending on the elevation of your property, replacement costs, which are some other factors that are used. So it's important that you understand that if you're sitting in an area like shaded flood zone X, you may very well see a significant increase on your rate. So if you've got questions about how to minimize these rates, what are your flood insurance options? How do you protect your property from flooding in these shaded X areas? Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risk like this right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.